What up, YouTube? Let's talk about how to add services as a barber to your clients. And what are some services that you can add to expand on your barber license. Our license covers so much more than just a haircut. Take a look at the things we can do to increase our income. Let's go.
When you look at yourself, what do you see? I see a lot of things. I'm a barber dedicated to youth improvement. A photographer hoping to catch that one great shot. I'm an inventor, a creator, a visionary. And this is my mosaic, the barber mosaic.
Welcome back to the Barber Mosaic, and today we're talking about ways to maximize your income as a barber. Besides cutting hair that can bring some money to you, to your shop, to your brand. First thing first, YouTube. That's the first thing. Start a YouTube channel. If you're a barber and you out here and you grinding and you got good cuts, you got great personality, great content, you need to invest your time into building your channel. If you're watching this, subscribe, like, comment down below. Secondly, find your niche. My niche is not just in barbering, not just in photography. I am also a raver. Waver. Shout out to Brush King. I am a gray waver. A lot of things come with me being a waver, man. The first thing is products is a way. We have an unlimited supply of people to test out products. We can definitely use those people, as well as ourselves, as a way to get the word out about our product. Adding services like this. I paid $75 for this steamer with UV light. It's pretty lit. On Amazon. And the day I bought it, it made money back for me. I use this when I'm doing straight razor shaves. This steamer helps to keep the shaving area moist whenever I apply my shave cream or gel. This light does really well when I want to ingrown hairs. I can have a magnifier on there. That's a good way. I've since added facials to my service list. So there's a myriad of things you can do in order to increase barbering income. It's not just relegated to just cutting hair. It's really not. So I hope that that word has been helpful for you. This is Maurice with the Barber Mosaic. I'm out.
And this is my mosaic.